Pull back, and then you put that one down, and then you pull, and then back, and then we have arms. Ah! I can't do it! How do you go like that? No, like that. But, I can't do it, you're so fluid. I think it's like I'm blaming my shoes. I can only just do it. I go so slow. Okay. All ready? Come here. I want to do. Go up, bend down.
I think I gave myself.
You did. Go back there. Go further down. I can't get over you.
Made my pants fall down.